My name is Alex Miller, and I'm a Vice President with FMI Capital Advisors. This article is about a new wave of international interest in the United States infrastructure market. It's about what's driving that interest from an external standpoint, from a global economic standpoint, and then also what specifically about the United States is attracting international interest, and then finally what that means for domestic contractors here in the United States. The largest takeaway for domestic contractors is that we believe there's going to be increased M&A activity, especially in the contractor segment, driven by international interest. This is true both of firms that have been traditionally targeted, such as civil contractors and multi-regional building contractors, but also in less traditional segments. Probably the largest factor that's drawing interest and that continues to draw interest to the U.S. market is one, its size. So the U.S. is the second largest infrastructure market in the world. Not only is it large, but we're also a stable economy. We provide a lot of opportunities given the fragmented nature and the competitive nature of our market. And so those have always been the driving factor for a lot of investment into the U.S. Many firms over the last several years have chased higher margin projects and higher margin returns, but in higher risk markets. And as they look at their portfolio, they've made a decision from a strategic standpoint to de-risk that and have targeted the U.S. as an investment alternative. I think two of the big takeaways for domestic firms are that, one, it provides opportunities, and the second, that it changes the competitive dynamic for them. So on the opportunity side, there is an opportunity for domestic firms who are looking for an exit alternative, as there are new buyers who are entering the market. The second dynamic would be that it is a new competitive environment for many domestic firms. Obviously, when new firms enter the market, it obviously increases competition. Many of these firms are very sophisticated. They have capabilities that were gained in hard and difficult places in the world to work. And while some of those capabilities aren't applicable to the U.S. market, many are. They have strong financial capabilities, they have strong project expertise, and so anytime that a new market entrant comes in, obviously competition will be increased.